This is the new hive. Just opened them up. Look how pretty they are. Let's put this back in here. This one here. Got a couple on here. What's that then?
Foundation, but it's just...
Can you give it one of these frames? Out that hive. Some of them are alright.
That's it.
Yay! Awesome.
So now they can't stick.
Yep. Can't stick to the lid just like this.
And just make sure the queen's not on there.
No, I don't see her.
So all we did was just took out some of the bent wax foundation and stuff like that.
We gave them some of the frames from this hive, some of the frames with the dead bees. They'll clear it out though, right? Like if the frame has dead bees in it, like this one.
Yep.
They'll clear it, right? Clean it. We still have some fairly nice comb from the last few that we can make use of.
You don't need...
Look at this frame. Look at this.
Yeah.
That's a nice comb.
You don't need all of that hive there, do we?
That's an empty. Yeah, that one that was one that got damp, I think. That's all moulded. That looks like it's been eaten. Because it's, oh yeah, there's some honey in it as well. Look. I wonder if they've been robbing some of the honey
Probably.
out.
Let's just leave that one.
Been naughty, robbing my dead beehive from the honey. Yeah, you buzz at me. You have 10 frames. Put in a couple new ones. But look at them all.
Just don't stand in front of the hive. Everyone's seen a ratchet strap turn up, darling. We got given a small nuke colony for Bridget's 4-H project, where she wants to take in an observation hive.
Yeah.
It's quite a strong colony, actually.
Oh yeah, very strong. Laying queen and everything.
We just had they've settled in after the last day or two, and we've just had a look at them, and where they were travelling, some of the comb, the foundation was sagged a little bit and just dropped, which is to be expected. So we just swapped it with some full drawn comb and put in a plastic crown board to stop them sticking the comb to the roof. Other than that, they're good.
Yeah.
They're amazing.
See that hive? It's the bees. Walk away from the bees.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love.
Cheesecake. Trying to get into the garden.
When we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back. all the colors. Summer love.
Bago ba?
Washed in every shade of green and all the colors. Summer love.
Are you better, man? How's it going?
Remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track